My name's Nick Paula. We live in a village called Dysworth, and we've got this very nice house where we've just renovated the garden, and part of that was we had cabin mastering.
I'm Paula, Nick's wife, who also lives in Dysworth with him.
We were having a revamp of the garden, and part of that is I wanted an office stroke, a nice area within the garden with some storage space.
Our garden's quite an unusual shape. It's not your regular square or rectangle, and the design we had, we wanted lots of curves that linked it all together and gave it a better flow. So we needed a cabin that would actually complement that. We chose Cabin Master because they could offer us what we wanted. They could do any size. A lot of the companies we looked at, they got sizes only that they would do. They wouldn't alter it at all. So Cabin Master, you could literally choose the size you wanted, to an extent the shape we wanted, obviously, because we went for a different shape. It was not what you call a standard package that a lot of the other people were offering.
Originally we spoke to Gareth, and then once it got down to some nitty-gritty, then he handed over to to a salesman called Simon, and he very good at answering any query. Phoned him up whenever and he would always reply, emailed, always got a reply. Because we wanted bespoke, we had to sit down with the designer and actually say, this is what we wanted, what was possible. We looked at different angles to see what was the best for us. We wanted the nice windows, French doors in it. And I say, to me, the storage areas were a must-have as well. We've got a lot of cushions on our various parts of outside, so I wanted somewhere to put those. And it was just a case of making sure the design fitted exactly where we needed it to be.
We actually had the design changed because originally one of the storage doors faced up the garden. We went back to Alex and he moved the door round to the side so it faces into the hedge, so it's no longer visible. We quite often go down there of an evening, glass of wine, and just watch the world go by from the cabin. Yeah, it's just a nice sort of family room, if you like, outside of the house, and a place where we can sit and feel like you're part of the garden.
We had Paula's mother's birthday. It was very hot, so it was actually nice to have the cabin because it was like 35 degrees, and we had this cabin set at 20, so we could actually go in there periodically and cool down. And we had 30 or 40 people in the garden milling around, and quite a few people would go and sit in the cabin just to cool off. So it was excellent for that process. We've also got another party this year where our son's getting married, and we've got a bit of a family do the day after, where again it'll be part of the centre of the garden. Will be used for 30 or 40 people actually enjoying the garden and using the cabin and all the other facilities.